Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to sign out of Steam on all devices. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign out of Steam on all devices, first open up your Steam app and log into your account. I have already logged into my account over here, guys. And after opening your Steam app and log into your account, in order to proceed to sign out of Steam on all devices, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your username available for us with the drop down button over here at the top right where my mouse is hovering. Click on your username at the top right and this kind of menu will appear. Again, click on the account details option available for us just below the view my profile. Click on account details and you land on this interface, guys, and at the left panel of this interface you can see the option where it says authorized devices. Click on the option where it says authorized devices and this kind of interface will appear where it also says sign out of all devices on this interface. Now in order to sign out of Steam on all devices, you can see here it says the remove all credentials option, and it also says this option will end all current sessions and sign you out of all devices and browsers. To use Steam, you will need to re-enter your account name, password and Steam card. So click on the remove all credentials. With that being said, and click on the proceed button over here, and then you'll be logged out of your Steam account on all devices. And there, guys, this is how to log out of your Steam account on all devices. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.